RIME stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all this in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Algorithm holding stock is sitting at 30% up, and it's 14 cents. Post market seems like it's a little bit lower, but 30% gains is phenomenal. And I'll still kind of have a look on the higher time frame chart. Context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships and documented everything. But yeah, with RIME, man, like, so these lows are still gonna be the lows, you know, it's still the range. Although it seems like we're still moving towards that gap. The supply area still comes from a little bit higher. And it's almost delivered, so I'm not gonna immediately long or short, but if I see like a double break beneath these lows, then and only then I'll be like short. Long side, not so much right now since we're in a bearish range, but if I see this double break, I'm taking things low. And for that to happen, I mean, I'm not gonna assume I'm gonna wait for the price to really give me those double breaks. But if it does not, then I'm not gonna buy short. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.